Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video recipe for you showing how I make ragi idli or finger millet flour idli. I have another recipe on my channel, but that's using whole ragi. But this time I'm going to use flour, store-bought flour, and it's a very simple recipe and a very delicious and healthy recipe for you. And I hope you give it a try. So let's get started with the ingredients. We have here right now ragi flour, and I have very good results with this flour. But if you don't have this brand, you can use any other ragi flour that you have at hand. And the next ingredient I'll be using is urad dal. So here I have 1 cup of urad dal. I soaked it last night. Now it's become 2 cups. I put some fenugreek seeds in there, and that's it. These are the ingredients you'll be needing. So let's get started with the process. So the first step would be to make a very smooth paste of the urad dal that we have soaked. Here I have used a wet grinder. You can very well use a blender to do this job, and I have done it many times in a blender and the results are the same. The only difference is that you will not have this much volume when you use a blender, because the wet grinder aerates the batter so it has lots of volume. But believe me, the results and the idlis will be very soft, and I'll show you how it will be done. So here we have our urad batter, and I just looked into the recipe. I kind of forgot the ratio. This recipe was given to me by my mother-in-law, and she watched it on a TV show, and it calls for 1 cup of urad and 4 cups of ragi flour. So for my 1 cup of urad that I got this much of batter, I will use 4 cups of flour right here. So I was just amazed when my mother-in-law told there's no rice in this recipe, and the idlis turn out so soft. You cannot believe that there's no rice in there. So right now I'm going to add 1 cup, and I'll have to add 3 more cups. So I'll show you how that goes. Okay, so I added the 4 cups of flour, and the key here is to mix it with your hands. Your hands play a very important role in the fermentation process. If you mix it with like a wooden spoon or a ladle, it will not work. Always use your hand, no matter which batter it is, idli, just regular plain idli, urad dal rice, or any other millet. You need to use your hands, because the the good bacterias, gut friendly bacterias that are in your skin, on your skin, they get transferred when you are mixing the batter, and they help the fermentation process. So right now I don't know if I will need some water or not, but as I will be keep on going, I'll see if I need more water. I will use it, or else just the urad dal batter is enough to make a very thick batter of ragi idli. Then I will not add any water. So I need my other hand to do this job. I'll show you how it looks once it's done. Here we have our batter. I ended up adding 3/4 cup of water to this, and we have a smooth, very thick batter of ragi and urad dal. I'm going to let this sit for about 8 hours. It may take anywhere between 4 to 8 hours for this batter to ferment, depending on how cold or how hot your climate is where you're living. And if you live in cold climates like me, you can put it in the oven with your light on, so that it aids to the fermentation process. Here we have our batter. The next day it's all fermented, and I can smell it. It smells amazing, and I know that this is going to give me very soft and fluffy idlis. Let me show you how that looks. You'll see. So this is how your batter should be. If your batter is not fermented like this, I would suggest you leave it out for some more time. Fluffy at all. So here's the batter all diluted. I added some water and salt to it, and this is the consistency you are looking for to make idlis. And I'm going to transfer this to the idli plates and steam it for 12 minutes. And here we have our finished product. The idlis turned out to be very soft. My girls already ate them with ghee and sugar. You can serve it that way, or else you can serve it with red chutney and green chutney like I have right here. So if you like this video and you want more fun videos like this, subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page so you can keep updated what's next. And do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again in another video. Bye.